Only from Local 3.
Okay, I hate to be the one to tell you probably know already, but tax season is definitely here, and so is Aaron Dixon, though, this morning. He has Elevated Tax Service, kind of a new business for you just since May.
Yeah, we just launched in May.
That you've been doing this, but already you're ready to help people. And it seems like, Aaron, a lot of people, if it's an individual return, it's kind of a no-brainer. They've made it where the itemized deductions aren't that necessary for people as much anymore.
Yeah.
But you still want to make sure you're doing it the right way.
Exactly. You still need that extra advice from someone that is a professional in the industry.
So you do the individual, but you're also doing a lot of business tax preparation and filing. And with us being such a mom and pop entrepreneurial town, that's going to help a lot of people.
Exactly, yeah. So small business tax filings can get a little bit complicated, especially when you have partners, right, working together for a business. So we can advise people on their tax filing needs. We can also involve tax planning. Tax planning is a big thing that people maybe neglect in some situations, but with tax planning, you can prepare ahead, make sure you get your estimated taxes paid in quarterly. That's super important, especially if you're turning a significant profit.
Yeah.
So we can help you, advise you on that, and also look for deductions that you may not be aware of.
You can probably really have a relatable way to speak to people on that side of it too, because you really are a small business owner yourself, so you have to put into practice
That's right.
for you what you're advising them to do.
That's right, exactly. So yeah, we're just excited for the new tax season to begin.
Not to get too in the weeds with you on it, but on the quarterly filings, is that necessary, or is it just it's helpful to do it quarterly because then you're just staying on track of it? Does the IRS really care when you get it in, as long as you get it in?
As long as you get it in, that's the most important thing. But as you start to make more profit, the IRS does potentially penalize you for not paying in enough taxes throughout the year.
It also helps you, I guess, as you were pointing out, to see where you might be able to save money with some other deductions that you qualify for as your business grows.
That's right. Yeah, there's things like the qualified business income deduction as your business grows and you earn more profit that you could potentially qualify for. Like you mentioned earlier, the standard deductions have been increased for people. So itemizing is not as important for personal returns as it used to be.
We can't help you too much with revamping things for how 2024 looked for you, but we're still early in the year. A lot of people maybe had a resolution to begin a business in 2025. Is it important to come in and meet with somebody like you at the onset of launching that business?
It definitely is. There's a lot of state filings that have to be made as a new business, such as your charter that you have to create when you become a new business in a state. So we help you set up all your initial filings and make sure that those go smoothly and that you don't miss anything along the way.
You don't want to have someone help you prepare your taxes who's not buttoned up. And
That's
you
right.
want them to obviously to walk the line of the law and do it legally in the right way, but where you can take advantage of a deduction or a loophole, if you will,
That's
you
right.
want to be able to do that.
Right.
You're actually hiring.
We are, yes. So we're hiring for an experienced tax preparer right now to add to our team. We are talking with enrolled agents or someone that's at least had a few tax seasons under their belt filing returns. So if anyone's interested in that, we are accepting resumes to taxes@elevatedtax.us.
And let's talk about that for just a minute, because I think if you are in the market for a job and you're looking for someone to go and work with and bring your accounting skills to the door, the environment's going to be important. So you're not a mega house.
No, we're a small business. In fact, if you check us out online, you'll see our office is a little house that we remodeled in East Ridge. So we are very much like a small business, family-focused office. So it's we can give that personalized care and attention to our clients.
There is that joke about, oh, this is like being an accountant at tax season. So I'm sure it's going to be a lot of long hours, but are you really burning that midnight oil, or are you trying to keep it humane for your
Yeah,
staff?
well, obviously we do work some nights and weekends through tax season, but it's nothing that our team members aren't used to, so they're all ready for it.
So whether it is a personal filing, a business filing, or maybe you're a new business looking to launch or looking just to plan now for this upcoming year, make sure you're doing it the right way. Go make an appointment with Aaron and his team at Elevated Tax Services, elevatedtax.us, and you said to send in that application, what do they do?
Right, so to send your resume, if you're interested in the tax preparer position, send that to taxes@elevatedtax.us.
Okay.
And we'll review that and get in touch with you.
And in case you couldn't write that down, I bet on your website, which they see, there's a contact us
Yes.
thing that'll have that email address
There's
on
a
there.
contact us page there. You can
Okay.
send us a message there.
Very good. Thanks, Aaron.
Thank you.
Good luck with
Julie.
tax season. I hope you
Thank
get
you
some
so
sleep.
much. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Trevor. Welcome to the Hemp House. Let me show you where the treats are.
Our selection of local products allows the Hemp House to bring a little calm to life's journeys, whether you're blessed with 4 legs or just 2. The Hemp House, 4 locations to serve you or online at